Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to use and order food on the McDonald's app. Now if you haven't already, just go ahead and download the McDonald's app in your Play Store or your Apple Store. Now once that you have installed this, just go ahead and open the app. And if you haven't already signed in, just go ahead and sign in so that you can go ahead and start collecting some points. Now, how would you actually order in the app itself? Well, if you take a look on the bottom, there is actually the order section. So just go ahead and click order. And usually this will detect where your nearest McDonald's area is depending on your location. And then you can go ahead and select either pickup or delivery right here. Now, just go ahead and, order as you usually would. So say, for example, let's click on what's new. And I want to add a Philly cheese stack. Go ahead and click on this, and then if you want to make it a meal, just go ahead and do so. If you just want to buy this, then just go ahead and click add to bag. Now once that you have added it into your bag, we can see the checkout section right here, which we can go ahead and click, and then this will go ahead and take a look at all of the items which you have added in your current bag. If you want to order more, you can just go ahead and add some more. But once that you are happy with this, just go ahead and click choose payment. And then you can go ahead and place the order right here. Now, the next thing that we will need to do is to go ahead and go to the actual McDonald's itself, where you will need to go ahead and present your order. So this will have a specific voucher or receipt, which you need to go ahead and go to. So there will be some pickups, which you can go ahead and do. And then just go ahead and wait for them to give you the order, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to order your food in advance through the McDonald's app. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.